Deep within the heart of South America lies a hidden gem, a place where water reigns supreme. This is the Pantanal, the world's largest tropical wetland. Spanning over 70,000 square miles, it's a mosaic of flooded plains, rivers and forests. This vast ecosystem straddles the borders of Brazil, Bolivia and Paraguay. The Pantanal's lifeblood is the annual flood cycle. Every year, rains transform the landscape into a shimmering, watery wonderland. This flood brings life, replenishing the soil and nurturing a staggering diversity of plants and animals. The Pantanal is a vibrant tapestry of life, a testament to the power of water. The Pantanal is a place of unparalleled beauty. It's a realm of shimmering waters and verdant landscapes. The air hums with the sounds of life, a chorus of birdsong and the rustle of hidden creatures. This is a place where you can truly connect with the rhythms of nature, a place of wonder and awe. The Pantanal is a biodiversity hotspot. It's a haven for countless species of plants and animals. Over 1,000 bird species grace its skies. The waters teem with over 400 fish species, and on land over 300 mammal species roam free. Among the Pantanal's most iconic inhabitants is the jaguar. The largest cat in the Americas, it stalks its prey through the tall grasses. The Pantanal boasts the highest density of jaguars in the world. Seeing one in the wild is unforgettable. But the Pantanal's biodiversity extends far beyond its charismatic megafauna. It's home to an array of fascinating creatures. Giant river otters playfully glide through the waterways. Capybaras, the world's largest rodents, graze peacefully on the grassy plains. And in the trees, howler monkeys announce their presence. Every corner of the Pantanal teems with life. It's a reminder of the incredible diversity of our planet, and it underscores the importance of protecting these precious ecosystems. The Pantanal offers a unique opportunity to witness wildlife in its natural habitat. It's a place where animals roam freely, undisturbed by human encroachment. The region's flat terrain and open landscapes make it ideal for wildlife viewing. One of the Pantanal's biggest draws is the chance to spot jaguars. But in the Pantanal, the odds are in your favor. Experienced guides know the jaguar's favorite haunts. They can take you on boat safaris along the rivers. The region is renowned for its bird life. Flocks of hyacinth macaws paint the sky with color. Jabiru storks stalk their prey in the shallows. The Pantanal is a wildlife enthusiast's dream, a place to experience the thrill of observing animals in their natural environment. The Pantanal is not just a haven for wildlife, it's also home to a vibrant human community. For generations, people have lived in harmony with nature in this unique ecosystem. These communities, often residing in small villages, have developed a deep understanding of the Pantanal's delicate balance. Local communities are the true guardians of the Pantanal. They are the ones who depend on its resources for their livelihoods. They understand the importance of preserving this ecosystem for future generations. Their traditional knowledge and practices are invaluable for conservation efforts. Many local communities are actively involved in ecotourism initiatives. They work as guides, boatmen and cooks, sharing their knowledge of the Pantanal with visitors. This provides them with a sustainable source of income. It also helps to raise awareness about the importance of conservation. The Pantanal's future depends on the continued efforts of these local communities. Their commitment to protecting their homeland is an inspiration to us all. Section 5. Ecotourism, a bridge to conservation and sustainable living. Ecotourism plays a crucial role in the Pantanal's conservation. It provides a sustainable alternative to destructive practices like deforestation and unsustainable agriculture. By generating income from tourism, local communities are incentivized to protect their natural resources. Responsible ecotourism benefits both the environment and the local people. It creates jobs and stimulates the local economy. It also raises awareness about the importance of conservation, inspiring visitors to become stewards of the environment. The key to successful ecotourism is to minimize the impact on the environment. This means choosing lodges and tour operators that are committed to sustainable practices. It also means being a responsible traveller, respecting local customs and minimising your ecological footprint. By choosing ecotourism, you can experience the wonders of the Pantanal while contributing to its preservation. You can be a part of the solution, ensuring that this unique ecosystem thrives for generations to come. Section 6, the Arara Azul Project Wings of Hope for a Threatened Species. The Pantanal is a haven for birds. Among its most iconic inhabitants is the hyacinth macaw, the largest parrot in the world. But this magnificent creature is facing a growing threat from habitat loss and the illegal pet trade. The Arara Azul Project, founded in 1990, is a shining example of successful conservation efforts in the Pantanal. This non-profit organization is dedicated to protecting the hyacinth macaw and its habitat. The project's work focuses on several key areas. They monitor macaw populations, protect nesting sites, and rehabilitate injured birds. They also work with local communities to raise awareness about the importance of macaw conservation and to combat illegal trafficking. Thanks to the tireless efforts of the Arara Azul Project, the hyacinth macaw population has rebounded in recent years. This is a testament to the power of dedicated conservation efforts. It's a beacon of hope for the future of this iconic species. Section 7. When fire consumes paradise, the growing threat of wildfires. While the Pantanal teems with life, it's also a fragile ecosystem facing increasing threats. One of the most pressing dangers is the increasing frequency and intensity of wildfires. Climate change is exacerbating the problem. Droughts are becoming more common, drying out the vegetation and creating perfect conditions for wildfires to ignite and spread rapidly. Wildfires have devastating consequences for the Pantanal's wildlife. Animals are forced to flee their homes, often succumbing to the flames or smoke inhalation. The fires also destroy vital habitats, leaving animals with nowhere to go. Addressing the wildfire crisis requires a multifaceted approach. This includes implementing stricter fire prevention measures, educating local communities about fire safety, and combating climate change to reduce the risk of droughts. Section 8. The expanding footprint of agriculture, a delicate balance disturbed. Another significant threat to the Pantanal's ecological integrity is the expansion of agriculture, particularly cattle ranching and soy production. While these activities are important for the local economy, they often come at the expense of the environment. Deforestation to create pastureland and cropland is a major concern. As trees are cleared, vital habitats are destroyed, and the risk of soil erosion increases. This can lead to sedimentation of rivers, harming aquatic life. Unsustainable agricultural practices also pose a threat. The overuse of pesticides and fertilizers can contaminate water sources, harming wildlife and potentially affecting human health. Finding a balance between agricultural production and environmental protection is crucial. This means promoting sustainable farming practices such as agroforestry and rotational grazing, which minimize environmental impact. Section 9. A call to action. Protecting our planet's largest wetland. The Pantanal, this extraordinary wetland, stands at a crossroads. Its future hangs in the balance, threatened by human activities and the impacts of a changing climate, yet there is still hope. By acting now, we can protect this natural treasure for generations to come. We must become voices for the Pantanal. We must raise awareness about the threats it faces and the importance of its conservation. We must support organizations working tirelessly to protect its wildlife and habitats. Each of us can make a difference. We can reduce our ecological footprint by adopting sustainable practices in our daily lives. We can choose to support companies that prioritize environmental responsibility, and we can become informed and engaged citizens advocating for policies that protect our planet's natural wonders. Section 10. The future of the Pantanal. A shared responsibility. The future of the Pantanal, this breathtaking wilderness, lies in our hands. It's a shared responsibility, a call to action for individuals, communities and governments to come together and safeguard this irreplaceable ecosystem. We must remember that the Pantanal's fate is intertwined with our own. Its health is our health. By protecting the Pantanal, we are not just saving a place of extraordinary beauty, we are safeguarding a vital part of our planet's life support system. Let us choose to be stewards of the Pantanal. Let us work together to ensure that its waters continue to flow, its wildlife continues to thrive, and its beauty continues to inspire wonder for generations to come. The future of the Pantanal depends on the choices we make today.